Hi, good morning everyone, Roger the Real Deal Guy here, coming to you from Holiday Resort Unity. 15 minutes, yes I know you're sick of hearing me say this, 15 minutes from the M5 are some of the best facilities in the southwest of England. And look, I think the sun's going to break. Clouds are slowly starting to disperse, and I think it's going to be another glorious day. What more can we ask for? I know what we can ask for, I hear you ask. We can ask for some amazing holiday homes, which we have. You guys should know this by now. You've probably seen the videos. You see an array of holiday homes that we have to offer. And now I've got another one to add to our portfolio. Look at the one behind me. It's an ABI Elan. It's 38 foot long, 12 foot wide, 3-bedroom model, patio doors and a front deck. Tick boxes straight away. Garden, somewhere to park the car. Doing well, ain't I? Right, I know what you want to do now. You want to go inside and have a look. So come on, come with me and let's go. Look at the natural light that's flooded in through the windows and then patio doors. I mean, it's fabulous. You can see the sun coming through. The fantastic wraparound couch. Look how comfy that looks. TV. Feature fireplace. I know what you're saying. This is ticking some boxes, Rog. I know it is. As we go around, then look at that. Freestanding dining. Look at the lovely light above the dining table. It's just these refined finishes ABI give. Then obviously the kitchen. Integrated fridge freezer. Oven. But look, lovely worktops. Great amounts of storage. A great social space so you can be prepping and cooking. People interacting. Patio doors open. Someone on the deck. Do you know what I mean? I can see you're visaging. It's a good start. Right, now it's coming down the hallway. So we come down the corridor. First door on the left is the main bathroom. Fantastic size. Great shower. Sink. WC. Great bit of storage again. Other side of the hallway is the first of the twins. And again, what a great size. Lovely refinement with the headboards. Good size singles. Nice wardrobe. Little shelf, and again, obviously, your radiator. Then into the next twin. Again, another good size. Light comes flooding in through that large window. Again, wardrobe. Freestanding bed so you can put storage underneath. Obviously, little bedside. Still ticking the boxes, I know. And then obviously into the master. And then look at this. Great light floods in through them two windows. Bedsides. Lovely headboard again. So the refinements carry on all the way through this holiday home. Bed. Dressing table. Storage. Again, fabulous size wardrobe. And then the ensuite WC and sink. I mean, what's not to love about this holiday home? 3 bedrooms, ideal. Great amounts of space. Front decking. Do you know what I mean? It's just fabulous. Let's just go out onto this front deck. You know, great bit of decking. Oh, well, look, there's RJ's. There's the main entertainment. So you're literally on the doorstep, which is fabulous. But again, great amounts of space. So parking, your enclosed garden. Doesn't get better than this, does it? So this is the fabulous pre-owned and pre-loved ABI Elan. 38 foot long, 12 foot wide, 3-bedroom model. Patio doors and an amazing front deck. As you walk in, the natural light streams into the living area, the great freestanding dining table and the great kitchen with prep space that makes it such a social area. The master bedroom, which is a fabulous size with the storage and the ensuite WC. The great size main bathroom and the 2 twins, again, that are really versatile. This is a no-brainer. It's a fabulous holiday home here at Holiday Resort Unity because, as you lot know, I am literally 15 minutes from the M5 with some of the best facilities in the southwest. Holiday homes here start from as little as £19,995. So what have you got to lose? All you've got to do is pick up the phone and say, Roger, I'm interested in holiday home ownership. Can you help me? 07493 098 497. Drop me a text. You can email me, roger.shaw@hru.co.uk. I am here to make holiday home ownership easy transition for you guys because I know how important it is. Now, don't forget, this face, woo, is all over YouTube. Roger the Real Deal, guys. So go on my page, have a look at my videos, subscribe, because obviously videos go on there when we see some amazing holiday homes here at Holiday Resort Unity. So YouTube, email, text, cool. I can't make it any easier than that. That's because you physically want to walk in the office to come and say, hey, Rog, help me. But for now, I want you to enjoy the rest of your day. Enjoy the sun that's coming through. And don't forget, people, it's not a deal. That's because it's a real deal. And I'll see you soon.